Struggling with rebuilding trust in your husband is not your problem. That's your husband's problem. He violated your trust. He violated the marriage. He needs to rebuild trust in the marriage. He needs to rebuild trust in him. How does he do that? By doing the things that trustworthy people do. By doing the things that people who want to be trusted do. For example, think about your job. If you get written up for coming into work late every single day, is it your boss's job to make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do, or is it your job? It's your job. It's your job to be responsible and make sure you get to work on time and not get written up again. Same thing with marriage. If he stepped out of the marriage, he needs to be mindful and attentive to you, your marriage, and the sanctity of and the boundaries that have been created to make sure that trust is rebuilt. So take the burden off of your shoulders, sister. Take all that weight off of you to rebuild. You're trying to rebuild. No. You're not trying to rebuild trust. He is trying to rebuild trust. You are open and visually able to see what he is doing. You're looking for red flags. You're looking for growth. You're looking for healing. You're looking for all the things that show that he is now trustworthy. That's all you're doing. You're open to seeing the growth. You're open to seeing the transformation. You're open to seeing all the effort he's putting into the relationship. But you, sweetheart, are not rebuilding trust. He is rebuilding trust. And if he is not actively rebuilding trust, if he is currently still doing things that broke trust in the first place, you have some decisions to make, sister. Because staying is not helping. Now, I'm not saying just because he cheated that you need to leave. But what I am saying is you, in order to rebuild your marriage, you need an active participant who's actively doing what he needs to do to restore the marriage. That's it. That's it. Take the burden off of you, sweetheart. If you need help with getting clarity and healing and identifying what your next steps need to be in either staying and rebuilding the marriage or deciding what your next steps need to be, contact me. I have an amazing 90-day program available to help wives who are in the process of determining what their next step needs to be in their marriage, in their life, and to get the healing that they need and the clarity they need so that they can make those decisions. All right? Apply for Heal to Love. DM the word mentorship to me. I'll send you the link, or click the link either in my bio, depending on where you're seeing this video. In the descriptions, click the link and apply. And I look forward to helping you on the other side. All right, sis. Love you. Bye.